Shekhar sir, screen share aయిందా? Shekhar sir.
Screen share అయింది sir.
Okay. Good evening to everybody. Welcome to today's online class. Once again, we are going to discuss about the altitudes. Yesterday we are just away. At the ending, I was explained the altitudes. Briefly, I will explain 2 minutes. Then I switch over to the today's topic. So, triangle and its altitudes. Triangle is the, sir, voice okay na? Shekhar sir.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
In a triangle, if a line is joined from one vertex to opposite sides perpendicularly, that is called the altitude. A line is joined from vertex to opposite side perpendicularly. That line segment is called the altitude of a triangle. It is one of the most important items to find the area of triangle. It is more required to find the area of triangle. We need that. So, wantedly I am explaining that area of triangle. The formula is half into base into height. But to that, we need the altitude. See the picture. So from one vertex to opposite side, any one vertex, we have the 3 vertices. So first I am taking one vertex from A to BC. That line is AX. X is the foot of the perpendicular, which is drawn from vertex A to BC. It meets the BC at X. That line is called the AX is called the altitude of the triangle. Similarly, we have another 2 from vertex B and vertex to C. Every triangle has the 3 altitudes, which are called perpendiculars. AX is the nothing perpendicular to BC. This is a symbol for, this is a symbol, perpendicular symbol. This is, we call we read as perpendicular. Perpendicular. So now let us move to the acute obtuse angle triangle, where it is altitude. So it is a normal triangle, scalene triangle, and acute angle triangle, whatever it is. So its altitude is the, so inside the triangle. Suppose I am increasing the angle, any one angle, either left side or right side of the altitude. So I am increasing this angle. What it happens? So see, this is the original picture of this dotted lines. Now the angle is increased picture, dark lines. So thick lines. So dotted line is the original first picture. Blue color is the dotted lines. Blue color is the increased angle. The altitude moves to from right dotted lines to this line. So this is which side angle is increases. The altitude moves that side. One more triangle. This is now blue color triangle. Thick line. Dotted line will be the same. Now I am increase the angle little bit more. So then altitude comes to the, so moves to from where to angle increase it. That side is increases. Next, this is the red color. I made it a right angle. Then the altitude coincides with the side, one side of the triangle. This is the green color is the original right angle triangle. Now angle increases more than 90. More than 90 means that becomes to the obtuse angle triangle. Where it's altitude. Where it at the altitude, obviously it comes to outside. This is the altitude. So now we increase dotted line. This red color dotted line is the altitude of the black color triangle, which is obtuse angle triangle. This angle is obtuse angle. So if we use this side is the base, its corresponding altitude is this. Suppose we use this is the base, its corresponding altitude comes also outside. Similarly, therefore, the obtuse angle triangle, the angle obtuse angle formed any one of the side will be taken as a base. Its corresponding altitude always outside of the triangle. Please keep in mind. This is one of the important item for us for next theorems. So now let us see this. Yesterday I was given a task. Many children, I think 5 children are sent to me this. 4 or 5 children are sent to this work assignment. Even single student is not sent even my school also. My school children also, no one is done. One is Arun Kumar, one is Nandini, one is Manogna Rao, another one girl is, I think not having the name. So 4 members are sent to me yesterday, this task. So all are did well, but little bit errors are there. But Mr. Kumari Nandini and Arun Kumar, they did well. So the tasks I will show you.
Thank you, sir.
So I will show you that their tasks. Wait a minute, I will show that that boy Arun Kumar and Nandini's task. I'll show you now. Nandini,
Yes, sir.
wait a minute. I'm opening your task, right? I got it. In 2 minutes, I will come back. Arun Kumar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is your mobile number?
Sir, 9490
9490
121671.
9490
121671, sir.
121671.
71.
Right. Because I will get it your task. Right. See, this is the Arun Kumar's task. Your screen share in the sir, Shekhar sir. Arun Kumar,
Sir.
screen share in the.
Yes, sir.
This is Arun Kumar task. See, this is a picture. He's taken the triangle ABC. 2 lines are PQ and D and E. He measured the lengths. AP is equal to 2, AB is equal to 4, AQ is equal to 2. And QC, AD and all measurements are calculated. Afterwards, he AP by PB 0.5, AQ by QC 0.5. Both are equal. AD by DB and AE by EC are the same. AX by XB, AY by YC is the same. So ratios, these are called the AP by PB, is nothing but comparison of 2 quantities. AQ by QC, it is also be nothing but comparisons. So both are the same, both ratios are same. So AD by DB, AE by EC is the same. AX by XB, AY by YC is the same. So whenever we draw a parallel line, the ratios, dividing ratios are the same. This is the conclusion from Arun Kumar's. Next, I will show to the next one. This is the Kumari Nandini's. She got AP is the 2 centimeters, PB is the 6 centimeters, AQ is the 2 centimeters, and then AD is the 4, and DB is the 4, AE is the 4, AX is the 6, XB is the 2, AY is the 6, QC, EC, YC. She taken the value AP by PB 1 by 3, AQ by QC 1 by 3, AD by DB 1, 4 by 4, AE by EC 4 by 4, 1. Next one is AX by XB. So 2 3 are 6, that is 3 by 1. So A by YC 6 by 2, that is 3 by 1. All are same. She concluded also in a triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC, then AP by PB is equals to AQ by AC. So then these are the values she taken. So this task I was given, only 4 children are responded. The remaining children, what about you? Remaining children, what is your problem? In this, I said it very clear. Finding the lengths AP by AB, AP by PB, AQ by QC, AD by DB, AE by EC, and the next one is AX by XB, AY by YC. All values will get equal. These are the ratios. These are the ratios. AP by PB is equals to AQ by QC will come. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC will come. Then AX by XB is equal to A by YC will come. These 3 ratios, 3 lines are here, PQ, DE, and XY. I measured them. Once again, I am asking you, every child today, you complete that, including Venkatapur children. Now let us see, based on that activity, now let us go for the one theorem, one of the standard theorem, important theorem. This is the basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, BPT. So this was introduced by the mathematician Thales. This was introduced by the mathematician Thales, the mathematician, Greek mathematician. So, and also called this theorem by name of Thales theorem. Thales theorem. So, Thales means don't take a Telugu meaning. Now, what is a theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other 2 sides in a distinct points, then the other 2 sides are divided in the same ratio. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other 2 sides in distinct points, then the other 2 sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, any one line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other 2 sides in 2 distinct points. This is a triangle. This is the triangle ABC. So BC is the side. We draw a parallel line to BC to meet the AB and AC in 2 distinct points like D and E. Here in triangle ABC, so BC, let us take 2 points D and E and AB and AC, join them, which is parallel to BC. The line D is parallel to BC, meets the AB and AC in 2 distinct points such D and E. Then the D and E points divides the AB and AC the same ratio. The points D and E divide the 2 sides in the same ratio. So whenever we are going to prove the theorem, we have the 3 parts. One is given, second one is required to prove. Third one is proof. These three things will be there in every theorem. Given, required to prove, so proof. Sometimes one more important item will be there. It is useful all sometimes. Construction. Not in all times. Not in every theorem proof. Whenever required, there we use construction. So here, so first one is given. Second one is required to prove. Third one is the proof. To prove this, children, according to the theorem, we have to draw the triangle. According to the theorem, we have to construct a triangle. So this was drawn according to the theorem. What is given? What is given? In the triangle ABC, a line is drawn parallel to one side. That is given. A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in two distinct points. Other two sides in two distinct points. Distinct means different points. This is given. This is given. So triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. So then the ratio is becomes to AD by DB, AE by EC. AD by DB, AE by EC. Again the theorem. Arun Kumar, read the theorem.
Basic proportionality Thales theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio.
This is the theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, up to here given. So according to the statement, we draw the triangle first. This is the triangle. Label it ABC. So draw a line parallel to BC. That is DE to intersect other two sides. Other two sides means AB and AC. Here BC, the DE parallel to BC. Automatically BC is over. Other two sides means AB and AC. AB and AC divide by the line DE in the same ratio. In the same ratio. So first given triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, that is given. Then required to prove. So please make sure to write down step by step. It is insufficient to the whole slide. I was taken side by side. So please, when you are writing in your notes, write down step by step. Here RTP, you write down below the given. Next step is below the RTP. Next step is below that. Step by step, you write down. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC required to prove. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC required to prove. RTP means required to prove. So this is the short form RTP. So in this, we need to prove this construction. So first one given is over. Required to prove is over. Then construction. Join B and E, C and D. Join BE and CE, BE, CD. So here different triangles are formed. Now draw the perpendiculars. Draw EN perpendicular AB and DN perpendicular to AC. Draw EN perpendicular to AB and DM perpendicular to AC. These are the perpendiculars. Now let us see that proof. Area of triangle ADE. ADE. See, I was color changed. That color has been changed and taken outside. Now, I'm taking AD as the base. AD as the base. And its corresponding altitude is the EN. Whenever I'm taking AD is the base, its corresponding altitude, height is the EN. Half into base into height. Suppose we'll take DM as the altitude. Suppose AE is the base. AE is the base. DM is the corresponding altitude. Then half into base into height. AE into DM. Both are the same triangles, but different bases, different altitudes. Final answer will be the same. Final answer will be the same. So please keep it away. Please keep it away. Now switch over to area of triangle BDE. Where is the BDE? Here. This is the BDE, red color. So I'm moving outside. So triangle BDE. Additionally, I was taken EN. So this angle, this angle is obtuse angle. Now I want to use this side is the base. Whenever we are going to use base, this is the base. Its corresponding altitude comes from this vertex. It is always outside. Why it is outside? I was explained very clear in just before. So EN is the altitude. The base is BD only. You take the B base up to here only. From this point to this point only the base. So altitude up to here. The base is the BN. That is wrong. That is wrong. The base is only BD. Base is only BD. From this point to this point is the base. This is the altitude. This is the altitude. Now I'm writing the each area half into base BD into height EN. Half into base BD into its altitude is the EN. This is the area of triangle BDE. Now let us switch over to area of triangle CDE. Area of triangle CDE. This is the triangle CDE. See, this is CDE. This is the portion. This is the portion. This is the portion ADE triangle. This is the portion. It is not that. Now I am using this is the base. When I am using this is the base, this is obtuse angle. Its corresponding altitude this is. Its corresponding altitude is the DM. Corresponding altitude is the DM. Now we are writing that. By writing that, half into EC into DM. EC. This is the EC. This is the DM. This is the base. This is the altitude. Now, up to here, anybody any doubt, please? Anybody any doubt, please raise the hand. Otherwise, I switch over, move to the next step. Anybody, please? Once again, you see that the theorem is a line is parallel to one side of a triangle to meet the other two sides at different points. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So a line drawn parallel to one side to triangle intersect the other two sides in two distinct points. Up to that is given. This is the line drawn parallel to BC. Meet the AB and AC in D and E points. So then DE divides the AB in the ratio of AD and DB. E divides the AC. AE is AE by EC. So this is DE parallel BC given. required to prove is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Then construction, join BE and CD and draw perpendicular EN on AB, DM on AC. These are the perpendiculars. Proof. Area of triangle ADE, half into base into height. This is the triangle ADE. I am taking base AD. Its corresponding altitude is the EN. Now I am using AE is the base. Its corresponding altitude is the DM. Now switch over to the area of triangle BDE. So triangle BDE, BD is the base. The BD is the base. Then its corresponding altitude is this. Half into base into height. BD into EN. Now I am taking to the other triangle CDE. The triangle CDE. This is the triangle CDE. So its base is this EC. Its altitude is this. So then half into EC into DM. So then this is the areas of 3 triangles. Now, Sai Sanjana.
Yes, sir. Sir, can we draw altitude of a triangle from any vertex?
Yeah,
Then we can, for triangle BDE, we can draw the altitude from D, no, sir.
tell me yours, sir.
In triangle DBE, we can draw its altitude from D to the base BE.
Okay. Base BE. If we are using the base BE, that is better. From here to here, perpendicular is okay. Now I want to use, this is the base.
Yes, sir.
Where did altitude come? It's opposite side, no? Vertex, no?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
when we are going to use BD as the base, obviously its corresponding altitude comes from vertex E.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So see there, the BD is the base. This is the base.
Okay, sir.
Then it's opposite. Whenever your concept BE is the base, obviously this is the altitude. This is altitude. Okay, Namma?
Okay, sir.
Doubt is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, let us divide the ADE and the BDE areas. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. Find the ratio. Find the ratio or comparison or division. So ADE is the half AD into EN, half DB into EN. Children, here ADE area, we are taken 2 different terms. One is a half into AD into EN. This is, first one is this is, second one is this is. Now your triangle ADE and BDE. The ADE triangle is this is the triangle. This is the triangle ADE. This is the triangle ADE. And BDE is this is the triangle BDE. These two are one side. This is the base, this is the base. Then only our result will come. That's why I am using the BD as the base. Sanjana, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Why should we use the BD only the base? Why not other 2 sides? Means to get the
Yes,
ratio
sir.
AD and DB. AD and DB ratio. Wantedly we are taken that. Wantedly we taken that. Did you understand?
Okay. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Now, so simplification. The simplification gives to 1 by 2 will get cancelled, and EN get cancelled. the remaining AD and DB. Don't cancel D and D. AD is the total is the one line segment. So don't cancel letter D and letter D. AD by DB is the equation number 1. Area of triangle ADE by triangle BDE is equal to AD by DB. This is equation number 1. Now again, triangle ADE, this is under triangle, this is the CDE, ADE and CDE. Now by using that, so AE is the base, EC is the base. AE base means this is this, EC this is this. So let us use half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. Half into AE into DM and a half into EC into DM. D and DM will go. Then remaining becomes 2. Half will go. AE by EC remains. AE by EC remains. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE nothing but AE by EC. We got it. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Children, let us see here. This is the side DE. This is the side DE. This is the triangle BDE. This is another triangle CDE. This is the base. These two are the parallel lines. These two are the parallel lines. These two are the parallel lines, arrow marks. See in the picture. This is the base. These two are the parallel lines. BDE triangle, CDE triangle. Having the same base lies between the same parallels. Triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base DE between the same parallels BC and DE. Yesterday I was explaining one theorem. If two triangles having the same base lies between the same parallels, then their areas are equal. So according to this statement, so this is area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. They are congruent. Congruent means all are equal. Now, this is BDE. This is ADE. Example, x is equal to y. Example, x is equal to y. I want to divide with the same number. Again also it is same. Result unchanged. Suppose I am multiplying with this, result unchanged. Adding both sides, result unchanged. Subtracting both sides, result unchanged. Similarly, here the area of triangle BDE nothing but area of triangle CDE. Now divide ADE triangle by BDE as well as ADE by CDE. What happens? They are equal. Same triangle divide with BDE, same triangle divide with CDE, the value becomes to the same. Now from 1 to 3 equations, these are equal. Which are equal? Triangle ADE by triangle BDE from 1, 2 and 3. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC because ADE triangle divided by BDE, ADE triangle divided by CDE, they are equal in the value. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence the theorem proved. This is the statement, basic proportionality theorem. This is a theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So in every triangle, if you draw a line parallel to the one side, Then you divide the other two sides in the same ratio. This is the theorem we will apply in the future problems, riders, applications. So anybody anymore, please? In the examination, they never ask state and prove the theorem. They never ask state and prove the theorem. They will ask, so draw a suitable picture for basic proportionality theorem and write down the state mathematical equations. Write down mathematical equations. So then you draw this triangle, write down the statement also, and given RTP. This is enough. Proof no need. Proof no need. When 2016 or 2017 asked that, draw the suitable diagram for basic proportionality theorem and write the statement. This is given. Then first you write down the statement, then draw the triangle, then given and RTP. This is enough. Proof not necessary. It is 1 mark and 2 marks question. 1 mark and 2 marks question. That's all. Anybody please? Shekhar sir. Chandrasekhar sir. Pawan Kalyan.
Sir,
Nava.
sir,
Vinapadunda?
yes, sir.
Okay, right. Anybody, any doubt, please?
No, sir.
Nandini, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Arun Kumar,
Sir.
Ardhamavutunda?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rajanirup,
Sir,
Mr. Rajanirup,
sir,
are you able to understand?
yes, sir.
Okay. Venkatapur children? Respond, Venkatapur children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Prasanna garu,
Yes, sir.
Prasanna. Venkatapur Prasanna.
Yes, sir.
అరే వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు మాట్లాడద్దు. ప్రసన్న లేవా? గాయత్రి.
Yes, sir.
జి అవినాష్. వెంకటాపూర్ పిల్లలు ఎవరు ఎగ్జిట్ కావద్దు. తేజస్విని. తేజస్విని. నాగరాజు. నాగరాజు.
సార్
మాట్లాడవేంది?
చెప్పండి సార్.
అర్థమైందా? హిందూ.
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Bhuvanakruti, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Bhuvana,
Yes, sir.
did you understand the theorem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Banu, Venkatapur,
Sir.
are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no exit కావద్దు క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక.
Okay, sir.
Charan, Tejas,
సార్.
Charan, are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tejaswini, who is this Tejaswini? Tejaswini, Shiva. Mr. Shiva. Who are these Tejaswini and Shiva? Yogeshwar. Mr. Yogeshwar. Yogeshwar, are you here with me? Soumya. Vamshi. Sirivalli.
Sir.
Vamshina. Sirivalli.
Sir.
Sir.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Sai Sanjana. Sai Sanjana. Okay. Akshita.
Yes, sir.
Akshaya. Akshaya there. ABHS, ABGHS. Amma Akshaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to change the screen. You should explain this basic proportionality theorem. I was given a picture. Please, the statement is AB parallel to BC. Then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Both sides we are adding 1. Both sides adding 1. It becomes to LHS. DB is the LCM. DB is the LCM. And AD plus DB by DB. And RHS EC is the LCM. AE plus EC by EC. AD plus DB. See here, AD plus DB is equals to whole length. This is the AD. This is the BD. The whole length becomes to AB. AD plus DB is equals to AB. AE plus EC. This is AE. This is AE. This is EC. Their sum should be AC. Their sum should be AC. AB by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the sub-theorem of basic proportionality theorem. Sub-theorem of AB by DB. AB means whole part, whole side. AB is the whole side. This is the whole side. AB is the whole side and AC is the whole side. AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. So if we reverse this ratio, the statement 1, AD by DB, AE by EC, we have to write down reciprocal, reverse it. DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Again we add 1. Again we add 1. It becomes to AB by DB, AD is equals to AC by AE will come. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE will come. These we will use in future problems directly. In future problems directly. I will send all these notes yesterday, day before yesterday, today, tonight. So I am not sending it. Sanjana, what is your doubt?
So because of network problem, it has struck. So will you explain the first step?
This one,
Yes, sir.
this is theorem. We add both side dB and 1. So when we are adding this AD by dB plus 1, here dB is the LCM. This is the LCM. Dividing dB with dB, we'll get 1. 1 into AD, that is AD. Plus This is the one. We are multiplying direct the dB. AD plus dB. This is AD. This is dB. Their whole sum is nothing but AB by dB. Sanjana.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Similarly, right side AE by EC. EC is the LCM. Dividing EC with EC. So 1 into AE plus this EC multiply with 1. That is EC. Then AC plus AE plus EC. This is nothing but whole part AC by EC. So this is right side. See this. AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. Okay, Nama?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now switch over to the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Converse. Yesterday I was explained what is meant by converse. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. This is a statement. Its converse is 100 pies is equal to 1 rupee. 100 pies is equal to 1 rupee is called converse. Now dB by AD is equal to EC by AE. If a line divides the two sides in the triangle of same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Before that, a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Previous theorem. In a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides. Then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Here, reverse. If a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. It is always true. No need to prove this theorem. Direct statement will try it. So draw the picture triangle. AD by DB, ABC triangle. This is a line divides the two sides in the same ratio. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Then it becomes to DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. This is the statement. If it is given parallel, we will write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. If it is ratio given, we will write the DE parallel to BC. We'll write the DE parallel to BC. So this is the theorem, converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Shekhar sir. So theorem is, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is basic proportionality theorem. Its converse is, a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. This is the theorem, converse of the basic proportionality. Sir, చెప్పండి.
Okay, sir. ఇందాక ఆడియో ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నా సార్.
ఓకే రైట్, పర్లేదు
సార్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
కట్ అవుతుంది వాయిస్.
Okay.
Right. Children, in our problems, tomorrow's in exercise problems, these two statements will be used. Please more practice. So for your practice, I am giving different pictures. So I am calling you children. You all people explain, tell me the ratios. So now I am calling the children. Sanjuna, Kesamudram.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the ratio.
AB by AC, sir.
No. Here XY parallel to BC, Nana.
XY by BC, sir.
No. థీరం ఒక్కసారి చూడు, బ్యాక్ పోతున్నాను. చూసుకో థీరం ఏముందో. ఏమున్నదమ్మా ఫస్ట్ది ఇక్కడ చూడు.
AD by DB, sir.
విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు దట్ లెటర్స్ ఇక్కడ డిఈ ఉంటే, ఇక్కడ డిఈ ఉన్నప్పుడు అది ఇక్కడ డిఈ లేదు. అక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఏమి చూడు, ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ఉన్నది, ఇక్కడ వై ఉన్నది. డి అండ్ ఈని చేంజ్ చేసి చెప్పాలి నువ్వు.
సార్
వెయిట్ ఎ మినిట్ ప్లీజ్. ఓన్లీ సంజునా ఫ్రమ్ కే సముద్రం. సంజునా కే సముద్రం ప్లీజ్.
AX by AB, sir.
AX by
AB.
AB.
AY by AC, sir. AY by AC, sir.
సో బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థీరం చెప్పు, సబ్ థీరం కాదు. యు టెల్ మీ.
స్క్రీన్ పోయింది సార్.
సాయి సంజన మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పమ్మా.
Sir?
మళ్ళీ అగైన్.
Sir, I didn't say, sir. No, that's Sanjana said. I didn't say no, sir. No, that's Sanjana said.
Another children, raise the hand please. Four members are hand raised. Bhuvanakriti, go ahead.
Yes, sir. AX by BX, sir.
AX by
BX. Or XB.
AX by XB, right?
Equal to AY by YC.
Very
AY
good.
by...
Very good answer.
Yes.
See that. AX by XB is equal to AY by YC. Now Sai Sanjuna from Sharda High School.
Yes, sir.
Picture has been changed. Labeling also changed. According to the statement, this is the line parallel to this. Sai Sanjana from Sharda High School.
Yes, sir.
Tell me please.
QY. Yes, sir. QY by YR equals to
QY by YR. Okay, Nana?
UX by XP.
Very good. 100% right answer. You check out your answer. QX by XP is equal to Q by YR. Okay. LHS, RHS, RHS, LHS. Okay. It is same right answer. Now another picture. Hindu from ABGHS. Hindu
Yes,
from ABGHS.
Yes, sir.
Hindu are here.
Yes, sir.
Please
QY
go
by
ahead.
YR equal
Amma, once
QY
again.
by
QY by.
QY by YR
Okay.
equals to PX by XR.
Very good. Your right answer. But you say from R what text?
Thank you.
Amma, Bindu.
Okay, sir.
From here onwards you will
Okay,
explain.
sir. RY
From
by
here.
RY by Q.
Very good.
RX by XP.
RX by XP. Right answer. Both are right. Reverse చేసినా కూడా రిజల్ట్ అదే వస్తుంది. ఏదైనా చెప్పొచ్చు. RX by XP is equal to RY by YQ. Very good. Now Venkatapur children, anyone? Next answer is next. Venkatapur children. Anyone? This is the picture. Venkatapur children. Mr. Rajanarup,
Sir.
tell me.
Sir, xd by dy is equals to
xd by
dy
dy is equals to
xe by ez.
very good. Very good. This is the right answer. Another 4 children are here. Aradu Kumar, Rajanarup, Nagaraju, and Appo A3. Who is Appo A3? Who is Appo A3? Prinsa?
Yes, sir.
Appo Endra Mari. Next to the new Japan, sir.
Okay, sir.
xd by dy is equal to xe by ez. Next on the outing code. Prince, get ready.
Okay, sir.
వెంకటాపూర్ వాళ్ళు ఎవరు ఎగ్జిట్ కావద్దు. చెప్పు బాబు ప్రిన్స్.
AX.
AX.
AB, sir. AX by AB. AX by AB. Yes, sir.
చెక్ చేసుకో. AX by AB నా? Nagaraju.
Sir.
Tell me.
AX by XB.
AX by XB. Very good.
Is equal to B by
BY.
YC.
Are you right?
Yes, sir.
Check once. First you started from A. Next you started from B. మన తీరం 2 సార్లు ఒక్క దగ్గర నుంచి స్టార్ట్ కావాలి. నువ్వు LHS ఒక దగ్గర చెప్పినావు, RHS ఒక దగ్గర చెప్పినావు.
AC, sir.
AC, sir.
No, wrong. చెక్ చేసుకో ట్రయాంగిల్ ని. ట్రయాంగిల్ చెక్ చేసుకో. మిస్టర్ నాగరాజు.
ఓకే సార్. BY
చెప్తావా నాగరాజు?
చెప్తా సార్.
చెప్పు.
BY by YC.
BY by YC.
BX by XA.
మరి ఇంతకు ముందు ఎక్కడ పోయింది ఇది? BX by XA. RHS నువ్వు చెప్పింది, ఇక్కడ LHS ఉంది. B by YC, RS, LHS, RHS, no problem. 100% right answer. Next one. Raise the hand. Next one. PQR triangle. Four children are raised. Indu and Ritika. Nandini, please. Nandini, please. Cheppamma.
KX by
KX by, all right.
XL.
KX by XL, right.
KY by YM.
KY by YM. Very good. Right answer. Check the answer. Right, Amma Nandini.
Thank you, sir.
Next one. Next one. Akshita from Sharda High School.
Yes, sir.
Cheppamma.
XP by PY equals to XQ by XZ.
XP by PY is equal to
XQ by QZ.
very good. Right answer. This is for next another children. This is for your more practice. Hindu from ABGHS.
Yes, sir. Are you audible, sir?
Hindu.
BY by YC.
Very good.
BX by XA.
That's all. Very good, Amma.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
చూడు ఇక్కడ LHS RHS సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ LHS RHS సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి. రైట్ ఆన్సర్. Different pictures I had drawn and I let us also change it for your understanding only. Mr. Charan Venkatapur, good. Charan from Venkatapur.
XB by BZ.
XB by BZ, very good.
Sir.
Chappo Charan, Agu print. Charan. XB by BZ, right answer. Right side Chappo.
XA by AY.
Very good, very good. XA by AY, very good
AY.
answer, Charan. Keep it up. Check chesko. Chusko. XA by AY, right side, LHS right side, okay. This is right. Then right side is okay. This is right. Mr. Charan, you are right answer. Now Prince. Time for Prince.
KL by KP, sir.
Huh?
KL by KP.
అరే నువ్వు అంతా ఉల్టా చెప్తానరా, నువ్వు ఉల్టా మాడుతాను ఇలా. డైరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ బొమ్మ, అక్షరాలు మారినాయి. డైరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ తీరం బొమ్మనే. 10 మంది చేయొద్దు, నువ్వు ఆగుగా. వెంకటాపూర్ ఎవరు అన్నారా? పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ చెప్పరా. పవన్ కళ్యాణ్.
KP by LP. PL.
KP by
PL.
Very good.
Equals to MQ
PL
by
is equals to
MQ by
అరే మళ్ళీ పైనుంచి
QK.
రావాలిరా, కింద నుంచి కాదురా.
KQ by QM.
QM వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఏమున్నది ఇలా భయపడతాను ఎందుకు? One more from girls. Venkatapur girls. Venkatapur girls. No one. Arun Kumar from ABGHS.
Sir, BL by LC is equals to BK by KA.
BL by LC
Is equals to
BK by
KA.
very good. Right answer. Check your answer. BK by KA, BL by LC. Anyone please?
May I, sir?
Who is that? Mr.
English, sir.
Prasanna garu cheppandi. Prasanna from Venkatapur.
Sir,
Tell me.
PX by XQ,
PX by XQ.
PY by YR.
Very good. PX by XQ, that is equals to PY by YR. Right answer. ఇంతసేపు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు చెప్పడానికి? భయపడతాను ఎందుకు?
Thank you, sir.
This is next one. Raise the hand. Hindu ABGHS.
Yes, sir. BP by PA, BP by PA, BP by PA equal to PQ
BP na?
by Q. Yes, sir.
BP by PA.
Equal to PQ by QC.
Very good. Very good. For your practice only, I'm not going to discuss the problems because of we will discuss tomorrow the problems. This is from Venkatapur children. Mr. Shiva.
Sir,
Chepu.
bx by xa,
Malaksa Chepu.
bx by xa,
Very good.
by yc.
Okay. Bx by xa, by c. ఏ స్కూల్ బాబు నువ్వు?
వెంకటాపూర్ స్కూల్ సార్.
మరి మిస్టర్ శివ అని పెట్టుకున్నావు. వెరీ గుడ్.
సార్
స్కూల్ పక్కన పేరు పక్కన వీకేపీ వద్దా?
పెట్టుకుంటా సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ ఆన్సర్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
bx by xa is equal to b by yc. Right answer. So we will discuss the problems. Open the textbook and refer the all problems. I will send these all by tomorrow morning or early morning. Please collect from your teachers and you practice more. You draw the triangles, draw the parallel lines, and write down different. Now I was exercised maximum 12 to 13 problems, 12 to 13 triangles. So different children are explained very well. Congratulations to all the children, those who are explained. The remaining children also get ready to explain tomorrow. For any problem, please once you read and come, all of you. That's all.